Hi, I'm Dr. Megha, Head Department of Chemistry, MRU. The best way to learn chemistry is to do chemistry, and the chemistry department at MRU moves with this statement. We plays a leading role as a bridging element between engineering and science graduates that promises great career potential. The thrust of this department is green chemistry, and to promote the concept of green chemistry, we organize workshops, seminars, invited talks and FDP. We organized a green chemistry workshop for chemistry faculty in association with Professor R.K. Sharma, Delhi University. We also organized a two-day workshop on innovative technologies for water detoxification for academic institutions and industry in the year 2013. Recently, we successfully organized an international conference on green initiatives in science and technology in association with Green Chemistry Network Center, New Delhi and ISST Ghaziabad. The conference was sponsored by Royal Society of Chemistry, London, North India Section and Indian Oil R&D Center, Faridabad. The conference was attended by approximately 100 delegates from various academic institutions and industries. During the conference, the plenary talk was delivered by Dr. Avtar Matharu, Deputy Director, Green Chemistry Center of Excellence, University of York, UK. As the theme of the conference was green chemistry, so the whole conference was divided into 5 parallel sections: green energy, green synthesis, green processes, green materials and green analytical techniques, followed by a poster session. All the sessions started with a keynote speaker of an eminent speaker from various universities: IIT Delhi, IIT BHU, Delhi University, Aligarh Muslim University and Indian Oil R&D Center, Faridabad. The department has also established a chapter of Green Chemistry Network Center in association with Professor R.K. Sharma, Delhi University, and the chapter was formally launched by Dr. Avtar Matharu, Green Chemistry Center of Excellence, University of York, UK. Dr. D.K. Tuli, former ED, IOCL R&D Center, Faridabad, and coordinator, Advanced Center for Research on Biofuels, also gave an invited talk on our request on recent trends in biofuels. We also had an invited talk on computational chemistry by Professor Arora, Jivaji University. The strength of all the departments lies in the faculty members, and at the Department of Chemistry, all the faculty members are PhD from IITs and reputed universities with varied research experience and academic experience. All the faculty members are working on various research projects based on green chemistry, like we are working on green synthesis of heterocyclic compounds which can serve as a potential anti-cancer drugs, removal of heavy metals from industrial wastewater using some bioadsorbents like the waste tea leaves and the banana peel powder, and using some nanostructures. We are also synthesizing biodegradable and biocompatible polymers. We are also working in the field of developing eco-friendly corrosion inhibitors, molecular modeling, computational chemistry, detection of various anions in the aqueous solutions. To serve the need of research, we have a dedicated research and instrumentation center where faculties and students can carry out their research work, and the research outcome comes in the form of research publication in the peer-reviewed international journals. The department also encourages participation of faculties at various forums in various conferences at universities and IITs. Our faculty members also invited to deliver a talk in universities at various conferences. We are doing collaborative work with the Department of Chemistry, Delhi University, IIT Delhi, Indian Oil R&D Center, Faridabad and Shiv Nadar University, Greater Noida.